Sige, maayong hapon. Today's 11th regular session, September 16, 2025. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem through audiovisual presentation and invocation, debated by Honorable Mary Eileen Christine Paler.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Councilor Street, Honorable Paler.
I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by law, to enact measures and ordinances that redound to the general welfare of my constituents in their pursuit for happiness, peace and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts, and as I tried the pathways of local legislations, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituent and the Filipino people.
Thank you, Ms. Nabaksi. Roll call, Mr. Secretary, for the determination of quorum.
Honorable Gailo, Honorable Orilio, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Diluso, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Serino, Honorable Artiza, Honorable Paler, Honorable Saligumba, Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Gayon, the presiding officer, Honorable Malaki.
6 members in attendance and 5 members not around, considered as quorum. There was an existence of quorum. Reading and consideration of the previous minutes during our 8th regular session dated August 19, 2025.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer, there are 2 minutes for consideration or adoption in today's session. First is the 8th regular session dated August 19, 2025. The 8th regular session of the 12th Sangguniang Bayan of Liig was formally called to order by the Presiding Officer, Honorable Arnold Milaki, Municipal Vice Mayor. The session commenced with a solemn singing of the Pambansang Awit, followed by an invocation and the recitation of the Councilor's State led by Honorable Dinsarme Alcano. Subsequently, the Secretary of the Sangguniang conducted the roll call, confirming the presence of members. With all the members present, the presiding officer declared the presence of quorum, thereby authorizing the session to proceed. The Secretary then read the minutes of the 6th regular session of the 12th Sangguniang Bayan held on August 5, 2025. Upon conclusion of the reading, the presiding officer opened the floor for proposed correction or amendments. As no corrections were offered, Honorable Diluso moved for the adoption of the minutes, which was duly seconded by Honorable Saligumba. With no objection from the floor, the presiding officer declared the minutes of the 6th regular session officially adopted. Privilege Hour. The Honorable Romy Mintayo delivered his privileged speech focusing in his proposed resolution addressed to the 24 senators of the Republic, urging the provision of school supplies to elementary pupils in the 18 barangays of the municipality of Bini. In his speech, Honorable Mintayo underscored that education is a fundamental right of every child and a paramount concern of the government, which is constitutionally mandated to ensure accessibility and quality education for all Filipino learners. He emphasized that the municipality of Bini is composed of 18 barangays with a substantial number of elementary pupils who need adequate school supplies to aid their academic growth and development. He further pointed out that many families, particularly those residing in the far-flung and rural barangays, continue to face financial constraints, making it difficult to provide for their children's educational needs. Thus, the provision of school supplies will not only ease the financial burden of these families but also inspire and motivate learners to pursue their studies with diligence and enthusiasm. Honorable Mintayo concluded his privileged speech by earnestly seeking the support of his colleagues in the Sangguniang Bayan for the passage of his proposed resolution, which he intended to present during the business of the day portion of the session. Question are none. Reading and referrals of proposed measures, petitions, letters, and communication. Referred to the Tri-Committee on Trade and Industry, Ways and Means, and Ordinances and Legal Matters is the urgent request from the Municipal Mayor for the enactment of an ordinance imposing the necessary fees and charges for Lingig Memorial Garden in the municipality of Lingig. Referred to the Committee on Ordinances and Legal Matters and the Committee on Education, Culture, and Arts, proposed resolution entitled A Resolution Respectfully Requesting the Honorable Senators of the Republic of the Philippines to provide school supplies to elementary and secondary school students in the 18 barangays of the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur. The proponent of this is Honorable Romy Mintayo. Referred to the Committee on Games and Amusement is a request for a special fact-finding event on August 24, 2025 at Purok 6A, Poblacion Lingig, in support of its clean-up tribe activity. Committee reports, Joint Committee on Ordinances and Legal Matters and the Committee on Health and Social Services. Honorable Momar also rendered the Joint Committee report under appended as part of the minutes. During the committee also on infrastructure rendered a committee report with the chairman, Honorable Richie Gailo, reporting. During the interpellation, Honorable Gailo sought the clarification and the exact number of barangay health workers who would be entitled to receive the benefits to ensure property budgeting. In response, Honorable also explained that ordinances that does specify a fixed number of beneficiaries, as the figures would depend on the number of retirees who would qualify each year. Consequently, the allocation may vary on a year-to-year basis. Also reporting is the Joint Committee on Appropriation and the Committee on Infrastructure. Honorable Richie Gailo rendered the Joint Committee report hereunder appended as part of the minutes. So no interpellation on the committee report. Calendar of business, unfinished business, non-business of the day. Honorable Aurelio manifested before the body the necessity of immediately addressing certain urgent requests in response. Honorable Canoy moved for a recess, which was duly seconded by Honorable Diluso. Consequently, the presiding officer declared a 10-minute recess. At 10:30 a.m., the presiding officer called the session back to order. Thereafter, Honorable Momar Diluso moved for the approval of the following resolution. Number 1, a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Mangilio, on behalf of the Municipal Health Office and Birthing Facility, to enter into a memorandum agreement with D&D Pharmacy for the disaster risk reduction and management for health support, specifically for the emergency purchase of necessary drugs and medicines on credit during times of emergencies or calamities. This was unanimously seconded. Number 2, a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Mangilio, on behalf of the Municipal Health Office and Birthing Facility to enter into a memorandum of agreement with D&D Pharmacy for disaster risk reduction and management for health support, specifically for the emergency purchase of necessary drugs and medicines on credit during time of emergencies or calamities. This was also seconded unanimously. Next is a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Helmer P. Pangilio, on behalf of the Lingi Primary Care Facility to enter into a memorandum of agreement with District Hospital or DDH, a Level 1 government hospital and a DOH licensed ambulance provider for a cooperative partnership to ensure compliance with the Department of Health regulation and facilitate the timely provision of ambulance services for patient transport with the Lingi Primary Care Facility complying with its duties and responsibilities as stipulated in the MUA, which shall form part and integral part of this resolution. This was unanimously seconded. With no further discussion from the clerk, presiding officer declared the succession approval of the motions presented. Honorable Henry Aurelio likewise moved the passage of a resolution approving the annual investment program calendar year 2026 of the municipality of Lingi. The motion was unanimously seconded. With no further discussion from the clerk, presiding officer declared the approval of the motion presented. Honorable Diluso moved the enactment of Municipal Ordinance Number 2025-40 entitled An Ordinance Providing Cash Incentives to All Barangay Health Workers who have rendered an accumulative year of service for at least 10 years of service. The motion was unanimously seconded. With no objection from the clerk, presiding officer declared the approval of the motion presented on third and final reading. Honorable Canoy did move for the suspension of the 3 reading rule duly seconded by Honorable Aurelio. With no objection from the presiding officer declared a suspension of the rule. Honorable Aurelio did move for the passage of the following resolution. Number 1, a resolution authorizing the conduct of a one-day special cockfighting event at Purok 6A, Inipaan, Barangay Poblacion, Lingig, Surigao del Sur on August 24, 2025 in support of its clean-up drive activity subject to the issuance of a permit by the Municipal Mayor. This was duly seconded by Honorable Paler. Number 2, a resolution authorizing the conduct of a one-day special cockfighting event at Purok 5, Sitio Bapor, Barangay Bungan, Lingig, Surigao del Sur on August 25, 2025 in support of its socio-cultural activity or second founding anniversary subject to the issuance of a permit by the Municipal Mayor. This was also duly seconded by Honorable Paler. With no further discussion from the clerk, presiding officer declaring succession approval of the motions presented. Honorable Luso also moved the passage of a resolution respectfully requesting the Honorable Senators of the Republic of the Philippines to provide school supplies to elementary school students in the 18 barangays of the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur. Honorable Luso emphasized that the resolution is separate for each and every individual senators. The motion was unanimously seconded. Presiding officer then declared approval of the motion presented. With no other item to be considered, Honorable Luso moved the restoration of the 3 reading rule duly seconded by Honorable Canoy. Presiding officer then declared the restoration of the rule. And assigned business announcement. The presiding officer reminded the body of the enactment of the Tourism Code of the municipality and for the concerned committee to finally make the report. Presiding officer also informed the body of the position at Rahapunusuan. Adjournment. Honorable Paler moved for the adjournment decision duly seconded by Honorable Canoy. No objection from the floor, the presiding officer declared the session's adjournment at 11:50 a.m.
Any comment of the previous minutes?
Mr. Chair.
Honorable Paler?
Clarification lang. It is Honorable Diluso who moved the following resolutions. Is
What?
Item number
165, a resolution authorizing it is Honorable Diluso.
resolution authorizing the municipal mayor
Line number?
in behalf of
165, sir.
165.
Because as far as I remember, it was referred to me.
Yes.
So he was the one.
Yes. Refer to you.
But during the motion,
the sponsor of the resolution.
oh, he was the one who moved during the session.
Supposedly ikaw dapat, di ba?
You want me to correct this?
Ah,
You want me to correct?
because
Alright.
it was referred to me, so I must be the one.
Okay, the sponsor is Honorable Paler.
Yes.
Item number 163.
165.
165. Is Honorable Aurelio?
Mr. Chair, I would like to insert resolution authorizing the conduct of one-day special cockfighting for September 7 for the purpose of fundraising for radio center activity.
Okay, additional. I think
There is a recipe.
Asa na pizza?
Sa 205.
item 205.
Cockfighting sa...
Traditional lang.
No, it's included in the next one.
In the next minutes. In the next session. Okay, tanaw na nato dito. Any other comment? Yes, Honorable Sergio.
If there is correction of the movement of the resolution from 165, so same as in
The following
the 222, line 222, this is for is the Bintayaw, because it's the proponent of this.
Okay, item 220. A resolution requesting senators to allocate funds for school
It's the
supply.
proponent of this.
Oh, that's the
It
author
was-
of the resolution is Honorable Bintayaw.
And the credit must be to Honorable.
Yes.
Mr. Presiding Officer, let me clarify. Actually, the proponent of that is Honorable Romy Bintayaw. But during the session, Honorable Diluso volunteered to make the motion.
Okay. So it's okay to it for you? Okay lang. Okay.
In line number 92.
Line number
194
194.
with no further.
Yes,
not
with no.
further.
That's correct.
Okay. With no further. Okay, any correction? Honorable Saligon ba?
I think there's no correction and clarification, Mr. Chair. I move adoption of the minutes.
So there was a motion for the adoption of the previous minutes dated August 19th regular session. Seconded by Honorable Caler. Honorable Aurelio, is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Reading of the previous minutes,
Minutes.
August 26 regular session.
Yes, minutes of the 9th regular session dated August 26, 2025. The 9th regular session of the Sabanyang Bayan Lingit was formally called to order by the presiding officer, Honorable Arnold Timaraki, Municipal Vice Mayor. The session commenced with the solemn singing, the Lupang Hiniran, followed by the invocation and the recitation of the councilors led by Honorable Liberato and Artisa. Thereafter, the Secretary of the Sabanyang conducted the roll call confirming the attendance of members. With the majority of the majority present, the presiding officer declared the existence of a quorum by authorizing the session to proceed with its business. Upon the declaration of the presiding officer, the reading of the minutes of the 8th regular session of the Sabanyang Bayan held on August 29 was dispensed with and deferred to the succeeding session. Question are none, privilege are none. Reading and deferral of the proposed measures, petitions, and letters and other communication referred to the Committee of the Whole is the request from the school principal, Pedro Redondo Elementary School, for the passage of a resolution favorably endorsing to the Department of Education Regional Office through Surigao del Sur School Division Superintendent Lorenzo O. Macasupol, PhD CISO 5, the conversion of Pedro Redondo Elementary School into Pedro Redondo Integrated School located at Maribuhok, Barangay Valencia, Lingit, Surigao del Sur. Also referred to the committee is the request from the Office of the Municipal Mayor for a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer D. Evangelio, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Education Division of Surigao del Sur for the establishment and or conversion of Pedro Redondo Elementary School into Pedro Redondo Integrated School located at Maribuhok, Barangay Valencia, Lingit, Surigao del Sur. Referred to the Committee on Social Services, Gender and Development the requests from the Office of the Municipal Mayor for the passage of a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Mangilio, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Early Childhood Care and Development Council to undertake a cooperative endeavor for the establishment of a National Child Development Center in the municipality of Lingit, Surigao del Sur and providing for the obligations of the municipal government. Referred to the Committee on Games and Amusement are the following requests. Special cockfighting event on August 24 at Pro 6E, Poblacion in Surigao del Sur for Explain a Pride. Special cockfighting event on September 11 to 12, 2025 at Barangay Rahak Bunsoan, Lingin in celebration with its annual Barangay Patronal Fiesta. Special cockfighting event on September 11 to 12 at Sitio Sunrise, Barangay Barcelona in celebration of Abdaman Sunrise Home Sitio Fiesta celebration. Special cockfighting event on September 1 at Sitio Ubon, Barangay Sabang, Lingin in celebration of Ano ng Lungo, Ubon Kong Fiesta celebration. Special cockfighting event on September 16 to 17 at Barangay Pagtilaan in celebration of Ano ng Pagtilaan Kong Annual Barangay Patrol Fiesta celebration. Special cockfighting event on September 14 and 15 at Barangay Palo Alto celebration of Adlan Palo Alto kung annual Barangay Patronal Fiesta celebration. Special cockfighting event on September 14 at Sitio Hagimitan, Barangay Anibungan celebration of Adlan Hagimitan kung Sitio Fiesta celebration. The special cockfighting event on September 7, 2025 at Purok 3B, Barangay Poblacion Ningin as a fundraising drive for improvement of Purok Daycare Center. Committee reports, none. Nevertheless, Honorable Diluso moved for assist to discuss among themselves some urgent issues and the continuation decision was duly seconded by Honorable Artisa. With no objection from the court, the presiding officer declared a 15-minute recess. At 10:30 a.m., the presiding officer declared the assumption decision. Calendar of business. Unfinished business, non-business on the day. Honorable Mobar Diluso moved for the suspension by 3 reading rule to allow the body to act certain urgent measures immediately. Honorable Kano duly seconded the motion with objection raised. The presiding officer declared the rule suspended. Thereafter, the presiding officer designated Honorable Mobar Diluso to formally move on behalf of the Committee of the Whole for the conversion of Pedro Redondo Elementary School into an integrated school. Subsequently, Honorable Diluso proceeded to move the passage of the following resolutions. Number 1, resolution favorably endorsing to the Department of Education, the ED Regional Office, through Surigao del Sur School Division Superintendent Lorenzo O. Macasocol, PhD 65, the conversion of Pedro Redondo Elementary School into Pedro Redondo Integrated School, located at Maribohok, Barangay Valencia, Limit, Surigao del Sur. This was unanimously seconded. Number 2, resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Pangilio, to enter into MUA with the Department of Education Division of Surigao del Sur for the establishment and or conversion of Pedro Redondo Elementary School into Pedro Redondo Integrated School located at Maribohok, Barangay Valencia, Limit, Surigao del Sur. This was unanimously seconded. With no further discussion, the presiding officer declared the succession approval of all the motions presented. The presiding officer likewise designated Honorable Mary Aileen President Valor to do the honor on behalf of the Committee of the Whole to make the motion and the request of the Mayor for the ECCD MUA. Honorable Valor did move on the passage of a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Pangilio, to enter into MUA with the Early Childhood Care and Development Council to undertake a cooperative endeavor for the establishment of a National Child Development Center in the municipality of Limit, Surigao del Sur and providing for application of the municipal government thereof. The motion was unanimously seconded. With no further discussion from the floor, the presiding officer declared in succession the approval of the motion presented. Honorable Kirby Aurelio likewise moved for the passage of resolutions authorizing the conduct of following special cockfighting events in the following areas and dates: August 24 at Purok 6A, Poblacion in support of its cleanup drive. September 11 to 12 at Barangay Rahab, Bunsoan, Lingig in celebration of its annual Barangay Patronal Fiesta. September 11 to 12 at Sitio Sunrise, Barangay Barcelona in celebration of Mandalang Sunrise kung Sitio Fiesta celebration. September 1, 2025 at Sitio Ubon, Barangay Saban in celebration of Mandalang Ubon kung Sitio Fiesta celebration. September 16 to 17 at Barangay Pagtilaan in celebration of Mandalang Pagtilaan kung annual Barangay Patronal Fiesta celebration. September 14 to 15 at Barangay Palo Alto in celebration of Mandalang Palo Alto kung annual Barangay Patronal Fiesta celebration. September 14 at Sitio Hagimitan in celebration of Mandalang Hagimitan kung Sitio Fiesta celebration. And September 7, 2025 at Purok 3B, Barangay Poblacion as fundraising drive for the improvement of Purok Daycare Center. All the motions presented were unanimously seconded. With no further discussion from the court, the presiding officer declared in succession the approval of all the motion presented. With no other item to be considered, Honorable Diluso moved the restoration of the 3 road duly seconded by Honorable Artisa. Presiding officer declared the restoration of the road. Assigned business, none. Announcement, none. Adjournment, Honorable Artisa moved for the adjournment position duly seconded by Honorable Kano. With no objection from the floor, presiding officer declared the session adjournment at 11:50 a.m.
Okay. Any comment? Correction of the previous minutes dated August 26 regular session.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Aler is recognized.
again, it was not Honorable Diluso who the
Item number
93.
item number 93.
Because
Okay.
it's actually Honorable Vintayao as the chairman of the Committee on Education, but he was absent that time, so I was asked to do that.
Okay.
Because I was the member. I'm
So the movement of the resolution is Honorable Paler. Any additional comment? Honorable Gailo.
Since there is no other correction, so I move to adopt the previous
So
minutes.
there was a motion for the adoption of the previous minutes, seconded by Honorable Sanigumba and Honorable Paler. Any objection? Hearing none, the previous minutes of August 26 regular session is hereby adopted. Another minutes of the 10th regular session.
Mr. Presiding Officer, there was the minutes as there was no session as all SME members were on official travel in Butuan City attending the NEO class training or seminar initiated by the DILG.
So, no minutes because all of us are attending the new class or we are attending the new class training. Okay, let's proceed. Privilege hour. Any abrupt privilege speech? So, wala. I would like to request Honorable Gailo to act as a temporary presiding officer. So, and ako igamay ihatag na mensahe through the podium.
Ikaw na ayaw mong pisay ng temporary ka kay
Ikaw na ang vice mayor.
Silingin po natin ang mag-move ba daw na.
Honorable temporary presiding officer, our top one is the members of the August body. Maayong hapon, kanatong tanan. So, Mr. Chair, maayong speech kaya wala ko kaanda mo hard copy sa privilege speech, but I will assure you that I will provide to the Secretary sa akong ihatag ng mensahe. Karon short lang, short message lang. Nakiluhan ay paabot na nahala natin aksyonan karon na sesyon. Si Mayor, nagka-istorya may nihangyo siya na ang atong tourism food mapasahan na nato para makapadayon na ta sa atong mga plano bahin sa atong tourism. Kaya nakita na nato kapag dito pa sa Palawan, medyo organized na ito atong bibisitahan. Basta doon ang turismo dito. So, kasi pwede na ito makuha ang mga basi o bisis para pag-implementa sa atong tourism activity. Hinahanda na siya ang turismo para dugang income sa atong lungsod o bitawag na dugang mapalambo sa atong lungsod. Kaya ang atong lungsod is nakadepende ra sa NTE. Wala kay kabalingon na income na dako para dugang programa mahatag sa mga tao. So, si Mayor nag-request of urgent passage of the tourism. Missions of tourism laws. Ikaduha, nahangyo po si Mayor na ang barangay official o barangay council sa 18 barangay mahibawon na kinahanglan yun, gusto niya na adunay pundo ang mga barangay sa repair and maintenance sa atong hatag sa ilahan ng mga dump truck. Good for 1 year na operasyon. Kaya gusto po ni Mayor na kapukusan yun ang pagsulbad sa basura sa atong lungsod. Not only na magamit lang siya sa mga lahi na mga lakaw, ma-priority ang pagsulbad sa basura sa atong lungsod sa siutsog ka barangay. Ikatulo, kami po si Mayor na ang araw ng libig na adwinog indicate na amount sa ilahang annual budget sa matag barangay support para sa araw ng libig. Kaya para yun, ang barangay hindi na maglisod pag abot sa panahon na kita mag-celebrate ng araw ng libig na sila'y magamit ng kwarta sa ilahang panudlanan. So, more of that, muna ang atong paabot sa inyo na para sa ako po, tagaan na itong konsidera. Sa katapusan, ang atong gipangayo ni Mayor na operasyon sa atong public cemetery. Kung mahibawaan ninyo, kung mabantayan ninyo, ang request ni Mayor is urgent. So, certified as urgent to ang request ni Mayor. Para sa kuha, isang paong Mercury's Horibis Bernes, kay urgent to siya, ato dito aksyonan. Kay ang Mayor na-request kayo, urgent na action bahid sa atong sementeryo para makamit na. So, kanunay na kung niyang ginapalo up, ikonsidera na ang dapat ikonsidera para makuhaan kay itanaw na ito dito atong interview, hindi pag-ibigalo ko, pero naman lagi mawad ang kinabuhi. Wa man sa butangan kung na mawad ang kinabuhi. So, total na naman ito ito, kita na ako dito na magamit naman po siya kung na mamatay. Di man po siguro atong nakatamahan kung pa-ambisyoso sa dami, anindot na menteryo. Importante na alay mapahilunaan sa katay. Kaya ang pag-develop, anak-anak. So, binalog na siya, hinahinay pag-develop, pagpagwapo sa sementeryo. So, Mr. Chair, kana lang na mga hangyo sa atong body, ako nang ipabot sa inyo kay ako ang ginadunggo ni Mayor. Although kamo gina-istorya po niya, pero ginatawagan ko niya, gina-text ko niya bahay na. So, salamat o maayong hapon sa tanan.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, I move to recess 5 minutes for the discussion for a while.
Okay, Honorable Ligumba.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. May hapon na kayo tanan. As being Committee Chair of Transportation, Mr. Chair, pwede ba mahangyo kung na madugang nato sa ordinansa, labi na sinig sa mga payong-payong overcapacity yan kanila payong-payong. So, dililan kung ako worry, halos mga ibang mga kita na magtanaw sa payong-payong na sobra na ganyan passenger ng kanilang karga. So, daw pwede ba na makabanganta na mabutang sa ordinansa para matagaan na to sila ng na mag-limit lang gayon ng pasahero kayo makulbaay gayon daw katanaw tapos gawas pa usog pagit sila magpadagan.
Okay.
So wala yan, Mr. Chair.
So far, wala tayo ordinansa for overloading. Wala sila. Sa local ordinance. Sa local ordinance, wala tayo ordinance sa overloading sa ato ang umbak o payong-payong. Ato silang i-regulate. Still, imo hamang yapon committee. So, refer na ako sa imo. Para ikaw na kanila ko committee meeting, draft tawag proposed ordinance. Pagkuhan mo. So, iba-aproba na ito. Okay siya na proposal. No refer to Committee on Transportation. Okay. Ini privilege. Honorable Aurelio. Nasugdan lagi sa upan.
Ibigay mo sa kami kung ako sa
Sige, may hapon sa tanan. So, I would like to raise this concern katong sa barangay Hagimitan kasi makatagay kita gamay sa katong nation kung aong ba. Meaning regarding sa kanilang pathway. Ngini na pathway, yung risk to concern kung ngini na very high risk kay tukod-tuod lang yung sispilahan. Tapos niyan na pathway, gamitay ganyan. Last year, yakuan niya na pathway, ya paiguan sa mga SP during election, ya kahatagay, amo nga na ya tibok man na pathway, pero wak mahuman. Basin nga ni kanato, manugtok ako sa mga kasing-kasing, basin na makakuha ni alibungan, karang alibungan, kay doon niya itaw sa mga estudyante pagtamok. Wala pa gitawan. Gamay na kuman, gamay dilig kuman na trabahoon.
Okay. Good luck. Sa kung ano niya ito sa landing? City landing? Okay, city landing. Ito, nikahiya na sininto rito. Ito nga lang gino dito.
So, ano yung mga abang ng mga kuhan sa HP Piley? Yung kanato sa kumansan is simento na kuman. Labor gamay. Sila yung magpaigo na pinikuwang sa barangay.
Okay. Thank you. Honorable Aurelio. Still, imuha man committee on profession.
guys, wali sa donation na sa
Oh, tanawa ka, o pa sa kanato donation. So, refer to Committee on Appropriation, tanawa ka, pa sa kanato donation mo. Ang budget. Madunit kita, ay, maghihatagon ba ka mo? Okay. Remind ko ha, ang kamayo privilege speech, ang hard copy yata kang Sergeant Rosay by para ay ka na reference. So, para next session, nakakats na ang any privilege? Oh, Honorable Dintayaw. Ano wala lagi? Hindi na isgutan na ito ang problema sa lungsod. Okay, Honorable Dintayaw is recognized.
Bahay sa bilis sa kuwan, base ako ng mga ordinansa, kaya tungod dahil yung reklamo sa mga utaw na mag-share ka ng kibali. Bahay sini mga bura-bura. Base siguro, ako ng ordinansa, pero kuwang lang ng implementasyon. Kaya usahay mga alas 9, ng doom, alas 10, susugay mga kuwan, restore mo kibali sa mga gapahuwi na ng mga utaw. So ay mga sagda kibali, daw na yung mag-ana siya na himuon. Tapos gusto ko isang gawin ikuan na pag musod yun sa area ng kanato lungsod, awan man niya ka-helmet, awan daw makakuan monitor na tanggalon ng helmet. Tapos 40 lang yung pwede mapadagan for safety purposes. Patapos pagka makagawas na, nga na sila pwede mag-helmet. Ang unang nakuhan kay awan kasi reserve ka na, dahil basihaw awan ng mga medyo marahat ng mga tuyo. So, anytime, bisa na yung ka-helmet, diretso-diretso yung padagan, hindi ma-identify yung tao. Thank you.
Okay. Salamat sa madayon na privilege speech. Ang kanato, pura-pura, ordinance na naman siya mo. Nata, wala.
Resolution lang sa Rocky.
Wala. So, disallowing pura-pura, so, sabi na mo na.
Ikaw lang ang refer to committee attached. Ay,
Sige. Sige, kung natay ordinansa sa pura-pura, pwede ka mag-pass o resolution. Atong pasahin resolution karon, reminding or mandating PNP and Executive Department to implement the ordinance. Karang padalhan natin na sa atong resolution. So before that, ato sa i-double check karon siguro sir, muna. Sekretariat basin ay ordinansa sa pura-pura. About sa speed limit, wala pa tayo ordinansa. About sa no helmet policy, wala pa ta. So refer.
basin sa barangay, ang kanilang ordinansa, ano sa
Dili sa ika-kuan mo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, before we proceed, ako sa i-refer sa Committee on Transportation. Ang speed limit concern and helmet policy. Okay, ang sa pura-pura maragdanang refer to Committee on Transportation. Okay, ini clarification, mga rabol sa ligong ba?
Sa during time ng, I think last year, na ganapot ang PNP ng bura-bura. Pero ang manangyawari sa dito.
So dili sustainable ako na implement dili consistent.
Sa panahon ni VP Partio o si Durban, ay kintilala ko ang ganapot kayo sila sa una ng bura-bura. Pero sa manangyawari agaw,
implementation nito sa national law. Ika nito sa national law na ako nila. Kaya man, nationwide sa dito na pura-pura talanda ako.
Okay. So dili consistent ang pag-implement. Ang I think ang gusto ni Spiro is na paano yun, maundan yun na tanan.
Kaya ang say
Pero sila ano sa tanawag kung nabay paano yun.
Mr. Chair, we have here a copy of an existing ordinance, but I could not see that it is really enacted or approved because it is not signed. It is not duly signed by the presiding officer and also and approved by the municipal mayor din Benedict Alingan. So I have to check this with the Sangguniang Panlalawigan if this ordinance was really submitted. So, manipis mo.
Side.
During that time po, our municipal mayor being the vice mayor din.
So, di pa takakuan kung nabagit tayo ordinansa. Ba, pwede man tawagin mo ordinansa. Okay. Oo. So, ihatag ko na lang sa inyo niyo para makapadrop ka o pag una pupusan. Pare, ako lang ni. So, refer na the preference speech related to Bura-Bura. Additional referral, Honorable Transportation, sa Ligumba. Refer to Committee on Transportation. Ito na lang sponsor ato. Lapasan ni mo kaguan para makahimo ka ordinansa. Okay? Any privilege? Okay, let's proceed. Remind ko ha, pasa ka po sa inyong privilege speech kang secretary. Question hour? Reading and referral of the proposed measures, petition, letters, and others communication.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer, first item for referral is the urgent request from the municipal mayor to enter into MUA with Andres Soriano Colleges of Bislig City Incorporated for the OGP of their students.
Refer to Committee on Education.
Next is an endorsement letter of Mendro Mr. Rogelio Arayane on resolution number 26 of Barangay Valencia requesting the endorsement of the Sangguniang Bayan on the proposed construction of hanging footbridge of Barangay Valencia as one of the requirements of the DNR on the issuance of ECC.
Anyway, na-discuss ni kahapon initial sa tourism. But since the request is about construction, so refer to Committee on Engineering. IPRA.
Next is the urgent request from the municipal mayor for an authority to enter into data sharing agreement with SWD through its field office Caraga Region to establish clear terms and conditions for the quarterly sharing of the list of registered solar parents in the municipality through the solar parent monitoring system.
Refer to Committee on Social Services, chaired by beautiful lady Honorable Paler.
Next is the request from Mrs. Marlene Sim addressed to the Sangguniang Bayan for a tight security at the municipal building for reasons stated in her request.
Committee on Peace and Order, chaired by Honorable Tintayong.
Next is the request for a special cockfighting on September 27 and September 29 at Barangay Bungan.
Committee on Games and Amusement, chaired by Honorable Aurelio.
Next is a request for a special cockfighting event on September 25 to 26 at Sitio New Paradise, Barangay Maya in celebration of Adlaw ng Sunrise.
Another Committee on Games and Amusement, chaired by Honorable Aurelio.
Another request for a special cockfighting event on October 7 to 8 at Sitio Pamian, Barangay Bugak in celebration of Adlaw ng Pamian.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Next is the letter request from Mr. Filomeno L. Gumato for the passage of a resolution interposing no objection on his application to extract and dispose of quarry resources at the Kanpanan, Raha, Kabunsuan.
Refer to Committee of the Whole.
Next is the Supplemental Investment Program number 1 calendar year 2025 of Barangay Anibungan.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next is the Annual Investment Program Fiscal Year 2026 Barangay Salvacion.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation, Ways and Means.
Next is the application for accreditation of SIGBIL.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation, chaired by Honorable Gailo.
Next is the application for accreditation of Barcelona Pamian Mahayahay Abaca Cluster Farmers Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Next, application for accreditation of Barangay Mahayahay Maralitang Magsasaka Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Another application for accreditation of Barangay Mansailaw Women's Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Another application for accreditation of Barcelona Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries Farmers Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Another application for accreditation of Anhao Farmers Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Next is Barangay Sabang Ordinance Number 1 for review, entitled an ordinance imposing the collection of fees and charges for the issuance of certifications, clearances, filling, and similar services rendered by Barangay Sabang, Lingig, Surigao del Sur.
Okay. Refer to Committee on Laws and Legal Matters.
Next is Barangay Sabang Ordinance Number 2, entitled an ordinance requiring all persons who are within the Barangay Sabang, Lingig, Surigao del Sur to keep and maintain a clean and green environment.
Refer to Committee on Laws and Legal Matters.
Next is Barangay Sabang Ordinance Number 3, entitled an ordinance imposing penalties of any forms of actions causing disturbance to peace and order in the barangay.
Refer to Committee on Laws and Legal Matters.
Next is an ordinance requiring all barangays of the municipality of Lingig to conduct an intensified monthly clean-up drive in the respective territorial jurisdiction, providing appropriate action and funds thereof. The proponent of this is Noble Momar Diloso.
Refer to Committee on Environment.
Next is proposed ordinance providing burial assistance for indigents in the municipality of Lingig.
Refer to Committee on Social Services.
Next is an ordinance, proposed ordinance, granting death aid, burial assistance to barangay officials who died during the incumbency and providing funds thereof.
Refer to Committee on Social Services.
Next is proposed municipal ordinance creating the Municipal Youth Development Council in the municipality of Lingig, defining its objectives, functions, compositions, appropriate funds, their purpose, and other purposes.
Refer to Committee on Youth.
Next is proposed municipal ordinance granting cash incentives to individuals, paid or groups who excel in sports, skill, and academic competition, appropriating fund therefor.
Refer to Committee on Sports.
Next is proposed municipal ordinance establishing watershed preservation and water conservation programs for the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur, and providing funds for the implementation thereof.
Refer to Committee on Environment.
Next is proposed ordinance mandating all municipal and barangay elected and appointed officials of public offices, including all employees of the barangay and municipal government, to undergo random drug testing every 6 months in the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur, and appropriating funds therefor.
Joint Committee on Barangay Affairs and Committee on Health.
Next is proposed ordinance establishing the annual reward system for the best performing barangay health center in the municipality of Lingig and appropriating necessary funds therefor and for other purposes.
Committee on Health.
Next is the request for a MOA with the DOH on the assignment of one additional DTTB or Doctor to the Barrios in the municipality of Lingig.
Committee on Health, chaired by Honorable Paler.
Next is a request for a special cockfighting event at Purok 3, Barangay Barcelona.
Committee on Amusement, Games and Amusement.
That's all, Mr. President. Also.
How about Purok Order?
I know.
September 28.
There's also another request for special cockfighting on September 27 and 28 in Purok 1B in celebration of the Purok Fiesta.
Committee on Games and Amusement.
That's all, Mr. President.
Okay. Any additional? Referral? Committee reports. Honorable Paul Sereno from District Commandos is recognized.
Committee meeting last September 16. No, September 15. The Municipal Tourism Code of the Municipality of Lingig. The Municipal Tourism Code of Lingig, Surigao del Sur emphasizes sustainable tourism, community, environmental, and protection. It aims to promote local attractions while preserving natural resources and cultural heritage. Deliberations heighten the importance of infrastructure development, safety measures, and stakeholder collaboration to enhance tourism growth. Challenges include balancing development and conservation and ensuring inclusive opportunities for residents. Overall, the Code seeks to foster responsibilities, tourism, and benefits the community economically and culturally while safeguarding Linig's natural beauty. Findings and recommendations. The committee finds that the draft Municipal Tourism Code of Linig, Surigao del Sur should delete the provisions on fees and charges. They believe that including these fees could negatively impact tourism growth and community participation. Furthermore, the draft will undergo a public hearing, which could influence the approval process. Gathering public input is crucial to ensure the code reflects that the community's needs and concerns, ultimately fostering the more inclusive and sustainable tourism development in Linig. It is understood that the draft of the Municipal Tourism Code is to be approved once finalized. Prior to approval, the final draft should undergo necessary modifications and revisions to ensure comprehensiveness and accuracy. It is recommended that the final version be carefully reviewed and modified as needed to reflect stakeholders' inputs in compliance with relevant policies. That's all, my colleagues. Any reactions, suggestions, recommendations?
Okay.
Code?
The reporters is open for deliberation of the reports. Thank you for that comprehensive report, Honorable Sarigno. Any questions of the committee reports? Nobody.
As we already spent much on that.
Okay. Ay, yes.
Yes, no.
Honorable Aurelio.
Very nice.
Okay. Okay, walang tumatanong.
We did not ask why we revoke the charges.
I think so far.
For further clarifications.
We can, you remember, so we cannot, I will not question you. Because we spent too much on that code. We went to Siargao just to
Okay. I would like to ask the
Yes.
chairman if okay for you na this session we can pass the tourism code or gusto pa ba nimo na conduct pa ka og inquiry? As per request of the mayor, panghimo man atong approval, but it's up to the chairman kay kasi na pay kulang para sa iya ha. Okay ba sa imo na karon na session ato ning aproban ang tourism code? Because based on your reports, napakaigihula, marag dili pa kayo kuan. Kaya magitawag ganing diri pa marag napakay tibason.
I am just waiting the pressure of the body maybe, because this is a big activity, if maybe, if we can approve this and finalize the code. So I asked my colleagues for some clarifications in this matter, for us to be more profound on tourism.
Oh, I think wala naman sila yung panutana.
Anyway,
Any clarification of the committee reports?
Everything is very rich.
Any clarification or interpretation or question?
Di, ang kanagsagot lamang,
Si Honorable Kailo.
Yes, Honorable Mayor.
di, ang kanak lang kisahit ko na concern ka may, kaya ang sagot ko sa kanaan recommendation na
Public hearing ba?
so,
With regards to the word public hearing, we come up with public hearing if we impose those charges. Because we omitted the fees and charges on the code, then we refer this to what do you call that?
Revenue code.
Revenue code. Because in the revenue code, it's stated on all the charges governing activities of the need. So we include the charges stipulated in the code as they drafted to the revenue code.
Okay. Okay, nana sa revenue code ang kuan ang charges. So dili na ta mag-public hearing kaya wala may charges sa ato tourism. Any question? Honorable Ligumba.
Kahit sa nalatukuan ng tourism, dapat patanaw-tagaw yung mga presid ng mga kanatukuan. Yung mga kanatukuan na isang kuhan, isang hingig.
That's the next move. I think of the tourism council. Okay, isa lang. After this is tourism plan man yata ang buhaton
Yes.
nila.
I am inviting everyone to participate in the planning because yesterday we discussed the code page by page with the in charge of tourism. So with my member of the committee present yesterday was Vice Mayor SB Palir and SB Roby. We're discussing details on how we crafted the code. And we discuss page by page, and if necessary, we will discuss it word by word so that we can understand the code.
so since kuan sa langit ni Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable
tourism
Kailo.
code. Since tourism code pa sa langit ni, so anay ka namin order, pangutaan na kanaan, natuloy na ito i-deliver siguro, pag abot na, mag-discuter kita ng mga plano,
Sige.
So as of now, kanato lang na
So, yun.
kanaan.
Okay. Any question?
Mr. Chair.
So your report is during business of the day, after you consider po the second reading,
Okay,
then Mr. Reporter, mahimo ato siya approval karon sa
with the pressure of this Congress body,
Oh, may problema.
I will vote for this for second reading or just now.
okay. Okay. So this issue we can proceed for the adoption of the tourism code. Okay.
So that we can move for an ordinance of this.
Okay. Okay. Ini okay. Wala pa ulit pa. Wala na yung question?
No more.
Maybe it's because
No, I don't see any question.
Because our reporters is willing to accept the
yes, I am for a healthy democracy.
yeah. Gusto din si
Healthy participation.
gusto ni chairman, ni reporter na questionin siya.
Di, gusto namin
Okay, is that your question to the reporter? You have a question?
like to vote for the approval of
Okay, niya na. At during business of the nila.
During the public hearing, I think we will have the public hearing.
No need na.
For the ordinance or what?
No need na siya.
No need na.
No need na siya.
So mga fees na to, di na.
Wala na. Nakabutang dito tanan sa atong revenue code.
Naman question.
Anyway, wala siya ang pangutana kay kung sila ang ito aproban.
O code o policies.
Palisiya sa lang. So kaya ang ito pangutana. So pag maglatag na kita, naurin ka ng mga plano, nga tulog yung mga tao.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Reporter. Any committee reports? Next is the calendar of business. Unfinished business. So, wala no? Business of the day.
Okay,
Move for second reading.
a resolution requesting the Honorable Municipal Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Ibanil to allocate funds amounting to 5 million to be charged for 20% development fund for the construction of proposed 300-meter extension improvement to Barangay Valencia Wharf footbridge in line with the request of the Minro for as part of the requirements of ICC.
Okay. That is item number 2.
Yes.
We did not yet discuss that, Mr. Honorable Sirinyo, but that is a pending motion. We'll consider that as a pending motion. Na-refer mo lang ito ni sa
Refer to the
Committee on Environment, Maruno? Okay, that's a pending motion, ha? Pending motion. How about your reports about tourism code? Move for second reading.
I move this for second reading.
Approval for second reading. Okay, there was a motion for the approval of the second reading of our municipal tourism code. Ini seconded. Seconded by Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Valer. Any objection? So the proposal is considered into a second reading. Okay. Okay. 5 minutes recess. Session resume. Honorable Paul Serino, into final, kindly have a motion passage of the tourism code into final reading.
I move for the passage of the final reading of the tourism code.
There was a motion by Honorable Paul Serino for the passage of the ordinance, tourism code of the municipality of Lingi. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the ordinance tourism code is hereby adopted. Next.
Mr. Chair,
Okay. Any motion?
I move for the suspension of the third reading.
There are motion for the suspension of third reading rule, seconded by Honorable Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the rule is suspended. Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
I move for the approval of the special cut fighting on September 27 and September 29, 2 days cut fight at Barangay Bungat.
Okay, motion for the approval of the special cockfighting September 27 and 29 at Barangay Bungan. Any seconder?
Another request for
Seconded by Honorable Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the request or the resolution is hereby adopted. Next.
a request for a special cut fight on September 25, 26 at New Paradise, Barangay Maya ay celebration of the Atawang Sambay.
Okay, at Sitio Paradise, special cockfighting September 25 to 26. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Yes,
Ikot na lang siguro.
kindly, Juan, kaon sa na-update.
State it one by one.
Next.
Okay.
Number 7.
Number 7. Item number 7. October 7. First page.
Number 7.
Number 7. Last item.
First page.
Ah,
On separate page.
okay.
September 27.
October 7 and 8 at Sitio Pamian, special cockfighting. Edi Sikander, unanimous? Okay, and Purok Ono, September 27-28, then Barangay, Poblacion. Next is
Purok 3, Barcelona.
Barcelona?
Barcelona.
October 7.
October 7.
First page.
6, 7.
First page. Balik.
Second page. Second page. Page 1 ako.
Okay, basta sa Barcelona. Okay, ini Sikander, unanimous? The 3 resolution. Sa isa lang na siya pagkakuha na. Isang minutes na ito. It's by adopted. Yes, another, Honorable Aurelio.
I hope to restore the third.
Okay. I think napay sa kuan. Doon sa pending motion. Napay sa Soriano, Andre Soriano College. Honorable Bintayaw is recognized. Can they have a motion for the approval of that
Number 1.
request? Item number 1.
First page.
Yung Argent.
Oh, yes, item number 1.
Mayor.
Yes. Kindly move.
Number 1.
Yes, yes. Resolution.
I move the resolution referral proposal for urgent request from the municipal mayor to enter the Intomua with Andre Soriano College, Subic City, incorporation for the OGT of their students.
Okay, there was a motion by Honorable Bintayaw for the passage of the resolution authorizing the mayor to Intimua with Andre Soriano College for the OJT of their students. Ini Sikander, unanimously seconded. The motion is approved. Yes, Honorable Taler.
Okay, I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Albert P. Pamiano, representing the local government units of the Leeds Regal Council, wherein referred to as LG of the need to enter into data sharing agreement, or the DSA, between the Department of Social Welfare and Development through the SWD Field Office Caraga, represented by Attorney Adonis P. Solid CISO 2, in his capacity as the Undersecretary for Policy and Plans Group, herein referred to as the SWD FO Caraga. Through the SWD Field Office Caraga, herein represented by Ms. Mariclor Idoliaga Libang, in her capacity as the Regional Director of the SWD FO Caraga, hereinafter referred to as the SWD FO Caraga.
Okay, there was a motion authorizing the mayor to Intimua for the into data sharing agreement with the SWD Caraga region. Is there any seconder?
Unanimous.
Unanimously seconded. The motion is adopted.
Another, Mr. Chair.
Yes?
I move for the approval of the agreement or in between the Department of Health with its principal office located at San Lazaro Compound, Santa Cruz, Manila, wherein represented by Sadaila K. Raquin, MD, MCHM, NDF, CISO 4, in her capacity as the Director of Caraga Center for Health Development, and herein referred to as the DOH, and the Municipal of Lingig, Surigao del Sur, Philippines, herein represented by our Mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Manilio, and with office address located at Colok Tobie, Poblacion, Lingig, Surigao del Sur, herein referred to as the Local Government Unit, and Dr. Salgin Manlapas with the residents of Cava de Almun assigned in the municipality of Tingig, Surigao as part of the DOH by the doctors into the various program, herein referred to as the DPTE.
Okay, there was a motion to enter into MOA with the mayor in relation for the doctors of the various program. Ini seconded. Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby adopted. Any else? So there was a pending motion of Honorable Aurelio for the restoration of the treasury roll. Any seconded? Seconded by Honorable Palea. The rolls is resumed. Next is the... Yes, Honorable Aurelio.
Motion for transferring the committee hearing from a tri-committee to the committee of the whole.
Okay, there was a motion. What topic?
The charges on the memorial guard.
Okay, there was a motion that to transfer the referral of the request of the mayor in relation to the cemetery operation from the tripartite committee, a tri-committee into a committee of the whole. It is seconded. Unanimously seconded. The motion is adopted. There was a motion for the adjournment. It is seconded. Seconded by Honorable Bintayaw. The session is hereby adjourned.